Okay, everyone, welcome back to another informative video. So I have my friend here, Mr. Roberts, and we are going to. He's basically helping me um to reap this potato. So it is ready to be harvested, and we are going to lift up the bag. We're going to remove the cage. So he's basically taking off the clips off the vine. We're going to remove the cage, and then we're going to throw. We're going to dump out the material in the bag into this wheelbarrow. So, don't know what to expect, don't know what the bearing will be like. So, um, right. Couple clip the panny well, you know. On this. Let me take off the one around the side. I know, say, rat them out the place too. Yeah, rat them out the place one. But, from time to time, you see them, like when they're hungry, you see them all roam around the place. Yeah, but me always set some block. Me not have no node and done. Me set some block. Right through, right through.
Okay.
Right, so how long this day now? This day about 3 months and 2 weeks. Yeah. 3 months and 2 weeks. Why if I even two tuber? If I even two. Chrissy love bake. As a matter of fact, Chrissy love fry them. So if I even two.
Somebody's there, man.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
I don't know what is there, but
Mm-hmm.
something is there.
Something there. They say once you have flowers and then thing there. Some kind of beer in most dead down there. Mm-hmm. Oh, feel the Korean drops. You know, we want to stay long, but yeah, go for it long though. Right. Okay. Yes. So that cage will be reused and the clips on it. So the moment of truth is coming up.
Crab.
Man. See what I go
Sweet
on.
potato.
Yeah. Just lean down that. Yeah. Yeah. We soon ready to drop in the clutch now, Mr. When we go down and come back up,
Okay.
we drop in the clutch. Yeah. So oh yeah, what do it now? You show what it? Now this? Alright. Alright, so alright, me I go just hold this. Alright. Okay. See what I'm going. What? See few. You see few. You see few. Look like you buying up a whole heap of root on there. Oh. Yeah. Alright. So one there already. 2, 3. Alright. Next time, let me see what I go on first before me talk. Let me see what I go on. What? Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Huh? They look fat. Yeah. I'm gonna take them out. And this up.
Yeah.
Put them over there, so. Right.
Yeah, there plenty boy.
You bear plenty. Man. Yeah. Yeah.
Plenty
Yeah.
just small.
Yeah. Bear plenty but then small. People, we feel satisfied already. Yeah, we feel satisfied already. Man. Feel satisfied already. Man. Why? Can I make one small pudding? I make a small pudding, man. What's it, giant? Wait! What's it? Me excited, man. Me excited. Yeah. Like I eat that.
I think something else in there.
You feel so? Maybe I've got to just show it to you like that. Okay. Okay, so so we never get no liver binding up our root, you see?
I just hear you.
Yeah, we never get no liver binding up. I just okay. Alright, people will search to see if we find nothing more. Right? Yeah. Boy, me not plant back in a plastic container again. Pure fabric. Pure fabric. Yeah.
That's it.
Hit that. Yeah, man. Yes, so it seems like finish. So as you can see, we had a good harvest. But how much pound or something this, Mr. Harvest?
6 pound.
Yeah. 6 pound of potato. Some of them small, some of them are medium size. Right? I remember this is basically like a pilot project just to see how well the potato grow in the fabric container. As you can see, we have a lot of tubers. We just need these to would have been good for them to develop, get a little bit larger, but as you can see we have more in containers, so we're going to see how well we can nurture those to get larger tubers. So the harvest is good, right? The harvest is good. I'm really happy about the harvest, right? So, and then this soil now, just going to reuse it, right? And just yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So what I do? I go. So Mr. Harvest, what do you think? What do you think?
That's a good harvest, man.
So what do you think about the fabric container?
Well, I'm gonna try some in it too.
You want to try some?
Yes, man.
Alright, that is the idea, you know. You know, you do it and then you show people, because I'm actually glad to say it here because you actually see it in person. You understand?
Yeah.
See what is happening. So, yes, people. If you have any questions, any comments, please put them in the comments area, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. Tell them peace out, Mr. Roberts.
Peace.
Alright. Peace and love.
Yeah.
Alright.